Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and then I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, yesterday, as you can see on the chart, I predicted very well the next move for the Bitcoin price. This symmetrical triangle that we spoke yesterday broke out exactly a couple hours later after my upload, because my upload was talking about a huge move in less than 24 hours, and you can clearly see that we experienced this massive free fall by breaking down this symmetrical triangle, which also I gave you more probabilities that we're gonna break to the downside rather to the upside, because as we know guys, in the short time frame it can happen absolutely everything, but of course, as we know, in the mid to long term I remain very bearish. Also guys, this huge dump that we experienced yesterday caused 250 million longs liquidated. So you can clearly understand guys that those who long Bitcoin right now are in a huge loss, because the price did an insane free fall back to this $22,000 area. So from now we're gonna speak about what's the next move for the Bitcoin price, because guys, the strange thing here is while the Bitcoin did a free fall, SP 500 did an insane pump to the upside, and this is really strange, because right now many people believe that because SP 500 pumped to the upside, and most of the times Bitcoin follow the SP 500, there is a big potential that this kind of huge dump would be a bear trap. So on this video guys, we're gonna analyze everything, if this scenario is gonna play out to the downside, or we're gonna see and gonna follow actually the SP 500. I'm gonna analyze everything, and I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video what I believe personally is gonna happen. So if you would like to know where we are going in the short term, in the mid term, and also in the long run, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video guys, because with this way you are helping me so much within this journey, and with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, a share with your friends, a share in your social media, you are actually helping me so much, and appreciate you a lot for this help support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight guys to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to speak about. So initially, let's analyze this symmetrical triangle, because you're gonna clearly see after this beautiful formation that we had for this symmetrical triangle in the 4-hour time frame, we saw this insane breakout, and actually it was a breakout at $23,250, and we saw a free fall. And if you remember guys, from my previous videos, I was always talking about that we're gonna drop from $23,000 to $22,000 into a free fall, especially if we're gonna break the $22,800 as it happened. Okay, we saw an insane free fall, but to be honest with you, I was expecting guys this free fall had a touch point at $21,500 and not at $22,000, and I'm talking for this touch point. So this touch point that we experienced guys created here guys an insane critical support area, which if we're gonna break it, as you can see, is a critical support of our uptrend movement, and if we're gonna break it, then the situation technically, of course, it's gonna become very bearish. And the next targets we're gonna have to deal with is the $21,500 area. There is a probability to find some strength here and keep the price of Bitcoin in a consolidation phase before the next free fall. And then guys, the next very important support area is this $20,400 area, and if also gonna break guys this support, then the situation is gonna become dramatic, because we're gonna jump back to levels of $90,000, $18,000, $60,000, and who else knows how low we can get according to how bad it's gonna be the global economy. Okay, because there are rumors that we're gonna get into a recession, into maximum pain, and if all these things gonna happen guys, I believe that we're gonna drop back to 12,000 within $60,000 area. $12,000 for the Bitcoin price is my worst case scenario number. If we're gonna see terrible things in a global economy, I believe Bitcoin can drop back to $12,000. Okay, so right now guys, I would like to tell you what is going to happen next in the short term, because most people right now tell you that because we saw this insane breakout with a free fall, and right now we are consolidating here, we form a bear flag, which technically we're supposed to get another leg down. Okay, but guys, you should pay attention on the SP 500, which right now is spamming really high to the upside, and this is very strange because Bitcoin, guys, is always, or not always, most of the times following the SP 500 movement. So right now you can clearly see SP 500 is spamming a lot and Bitcoin dump. So guys, this kind of situation creates two scenarios. There is a scenario that Bitcoin gonna consolidate here a lot until we're gonna break to the downside, and actually in Monday when the market's gonna open again, SP 500 gonna do a free fall too. But if the SP 500 gonna stay on those levels, and because most of the times, guys, weekends are pumped for the Bitcoin, there is a probability to see some slightly reversal to the upside until the market's gonna open again for the SP 500. Because guys, if market's gonna open on Monday and SP 500 do a reversal, then we're gonna confirm that Bitcoin is gonna get lower and lower on the price with all these price targets that I discussed before. But if we're gonna see a continuation of this pump to the upside, then I think that Bitcoin probably gonna see a reversal to the upside and gonna remain to the upside until we're gonna see some bad reversal to the downside for the SP 500, and then gonna follow too with a huge rejection on the Bitcoin price back to the levels that I told you. So with a summary words, guys, I don't get that much in the short term because this kind of a huge dump that happened didn't actually confirmed by the SP 500, so I cannot tell you with big confidence that right now we are heading straight to all these targets. Okay, in the short term. In the mid and long term, I'm expecting a lot according to the bad things that are about to come for our economy, that we're gonna get back to 12,000 within $60,000 area. Okay, that's it. So I cannot tell you right now if in the short term, if right now this is a bear trap, or we are going to form this technically 100%. We will see what's about to happen on the weekend. But for this video, guys, I would like you to keep in your mind that if you're gonna see a reversal to the upside, do not freak out. Okay, do not freak out. It's very possible because always Bitcoin is following the SP 500, and as I told you, SP 500 pumped to the upside, Bitcoin did exactly the opposite. So there is a big potential in the weekend to see a reversal to the upside. But let's see what's about to happen. It's gonna be a very interesting weekend. So let's see. And before I close the video, guys, I'm gonna show you right now that Bitcoin is remain fundamentally, we know that, and technically extremely bearish, because you're gonna clearly see the MACD indicator today just flip bearish, not only in 1 day but in 3 days. You can clearly see that today we saw the first flip for the 3-day period of the MACD indicator flip bearish, which is an indication of extremely bearish situation. So let's see what's about to happen. Also in the 4-hour time frame, guys, we saw of course the EMA ribbon is bearish. Also I think is bearish on the 8-hour time frame, as it happened before. You can see we saw the flip on the EMA ribbon in the 8-hour time frame. And guys, we have in the 4-hour time frame the exponential moving average, which we are going for a flip. So if we're gonna see the breakout of this critical support and break the uptrend movement, and gonna get straight to $21,500 and also break this support, then I believe we're gonna see the flip of the exponential moving average 50 and 200, and subsequently with that flip I believe that we're gonna see another free fall back to $20,400 area. Okay, that's the update video, guys. Follow me on Twitter, because here I'm updating you every day and every hour about what's happening within a day on the market. So that's why it's really important to follow me on Twitter. And also, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Drop it down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.